There are 5 tiers in the 1x3 Twin Turbo Incentive Plan. Twin Turbo 40, 100, 250, 500, and 1000. Let's review just how simple yet powerful the Twin Turbo Plan really is. You join Twin Turbo 40 with a one-time fee of just $40 worth of Tron, plus a little extra to cover the gas fees. You also have access to download unique resellable products of real value. Your first and second positions in the Twin Turbo 40 Matrix each earn you $20 worth of Tron directly and instantly to your Tron wallet, earning you back your $40 Twin Turbo 40 cost of entry. Your third position cycles you, and the smart contract creates a brand new position for you in the Matrix worth $40, allowing you to start the same process all over again. This is a true follow me system. Here, your first and second positions again each earn you $20 worth of Tron, and your third position again cycles you, opening up a brand new position in the Matrix. But it gets better, because as you continue to cycle at any of the Twin Turbo levels, you will also qualify for our cycle bonuses. In Mach 1, you cycle 50 times, earning a $250 bonus. Mach 2, you cycle 100 times, earning you $500. Mach 3 is for 250 cycles, earning $1,000. As you cycle through the ranks, you earn more and more free Tron. And this process goes on and on and on. When you reach Mach 16, you cycle an amazing 250,000 times, earning you an astounding $1,250,000. But it gets even better. As with all paid positions, 50% goes to your sponsor and 50% goes back to the smart contract. Listen on why this is truly a great thing and actually turbo boosts your earning potential. Not only does the smart contract fund a new position for you every time you cycle, but every day, 10% of the total TRX received by the smart contract admin position will be used to airdrop new position, filling gaps and helping members to cycle within both the Turbo Incentive Matrix, Twin Turbo 40 Matrix, and Twin Turbo 100 Matrix. Please note that if you are not actively recruiting, you will only qualify for enough airdrops to cycle once in each of the Turbo TRX and Twin Turbo Matrixes. As you proceed through the Twin Turbo tiers, you can start to see the incredible profit potential that Turbo TRX offers. Okay, let's do one more example, assuming you have now upgraded to Twin Turbo 1000. You join Twin Turbo 1000 with a one-time fee of $1,000 worth of Tron. Your first and second positions each earn you $500 worth of Tron directly and instantly to your Tron wallet, earning you back your $1,000 cost of entry. Your third position cycles you, and the smart contract creates a brand new position for you in the Matrix worth $1,000, allowing you to start the same process all over again. So in fact, you have recouped your investment and earned a whole new position to start profiting from. By now you can see the awesome potential of both our Turbo TRX Incentive Matrix and the 5 tiers of our Twin Turbo Matrixes. If you're ready to turbocharge your way back into a comfortable lifestyle with the fastest growing smart contract system, click the button below and join us now. Give back to the person who told you about Turbo TRX and join now.